Yes, so my people, I say good morning to now for half the way. They're close to the stream for every angle of every part of the world this morning. I say good morning to everybody. My whole name is Papa Jojo this morning. I don't go on waste on the time because I just want to take you through the segment we'll get for now this morning. This morning, I did take a bit high strength level and in addition with some yoga program. As we did, so this one is just the warming up stage. Where will they take on? Parameter, if you did their way, if you say, well, okay, Master, what Papa Jojo get for us this morning on top of this segment? I will tell you, say, well, just enter your house straight away. May you do waiting at the do. But obviously, may just take any outcloth, just start to do it like that. But wear your trainer, wear your sportwear, and may you do waiting. They flow the way we go with our count. Straight at 1, like that. 2. Not obviously you go swing too hard, but just feel free. Let your body feel the part of the movement as they go. And let your hand feel say, yes, it is if they do waiting, it is exercise as they go. 3. Then this one, I just the side-to-side swing to open up your body. 4, like that. 5, follow your count. Like just 8, 6. It remains 2 more to finish up. 7, then upside-ward movement, side to side. You go. 2, you follow your count like that. 3, because like the count goes stand as a guideline to help you meet up the way I they go. 4, you they go like that. 5, straight away. 6, then you remain only 2. 7, and 8. On this 8th one, see the way I put my leg for back. My viewers waiting out there with the followers. You go 1, like that. 2, straight away. 3, it remains just only 5 more. If you look the way I go, watch my back calf muscle. You'll see the way they go like that, including the front thighs. Everything they work together. It remains 3 more, like that. 6, it remains 2 more. 7, then the last one, 8. Now see the way you go swing to the opposite side. No how way you go do on one side, way you no go do the other side to balance up the equation like that. 1, you see 2, like that. You're the flow. 3, you don't go stop. 4, but because of the way you they do it like this, 5, you go like say it they hard you 6. For the first timer, but you don't go give up. 7, and the last one, 8. Now see this one. Now to help you concentrate your mind the way they go. What you do, you fix your mind to help your balance up. You go put your hand together. Then you go cross one leg like this, straight away. If it get difficult, but the only way you need to do is say, move your mind away from anything if it distracts you. As you follow your count, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 1. By the time you don't try to meet up, the first 1 to 8, and you bring that down to 1 from your 8, then you need to try the other side. And the more you do this kind of one, more and more according to your word, wait to say, practice make perfect. The more you do it, you go see your level of balance, they do it increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then look this one where we take on after the level of focus for your balance. This one, you go open up your leg to the side. You go squat. 1. Wait a minute, work this one. This one to help you work hard for your thighs. Some people, the way they complain, say, I get flapping thighs. When no they tight. But wait till I do. My people, I say congratulations to you. The more you follow up this kind of program, it will help you build up strong thighs. The way you go, the way you follow, with the way Papa Jojo they take you on, then on top of this segment, you go really appreciate, say, yes, Wazobia, they do it, they do well. So just follow up the way we go. Now, so you the flow, you don't go give up like that. 2, for the first time when you go do this kind of program, it go just somehow difficult. Like say, if you like say you don't finish my ties, Papa Jojo. So my people, even as we go to continue, while I go to pack my own load, I just want to let you know, say, my whole name, na Papa Jojo, and this special program when I look so. Now top channel 195, Wazobia TV, on top start time. So me, back, on the next time, I pack my own load, they tell I say, bye-bye, good luck. Or you want to say, no pain, no gain. See you until next time. We go 1, 2, 3.
Una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.